Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Lisa Lightband, and tonight I'm going to take you through changing colours in Weebly. As you can see from this example here, the text on the left-hand side of the page is rather difficult to read. It's too close in colour to the background. So what we're going to do is select all of the text. Now you can either click and drag to select the text, or Control A will allow you to select all of the text. Now we select a colour. There are colour swatches here, but if the colour that you're wanting to change it to does not exist, you can actually extend the colour swatch selector and choose from a range of colours. Right now we're in the red. If you drag the arrows down, you'll see you go through greens, blues, and through to pinks, purples, and so on. So you can select the colour range on the right hand side, and once you've done that, you can then drag the icon or select anywhere in this area to choose a particular colour. Now, I don't want to choose greens. I actually want my text to be white. You can either do that by moving the little pointer up into the top right hand corner, and you'll notice that the colour code for white is all Fs down here. Alternatively, you can actually select the bottom box here and type in the character code. It should be 6 characters there if you know the character code for the colour. So you've got a choice of either using the swatches, dragging through a range of colours, or entering the direct colour code into this box here. And when you click away, you'll see that the text now is in the colour that you've chosen. I hope this was useful. I have further tips coming up, so please like or subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions that are bugging you in Weebly that you would like answered, or any general website questions, please ask in the comments below, and I'll try and make a video about them for you. Thanks for watching. My contact details are at the end of this video. Have a great evening. See ya.